What's going on, guys? I'm Andrew Oko, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to find and trade the right cryptocurrencies and meme coins that can potentially make you more money today on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. In fact, just a couple of hours ago, the price action of the MYX USDT cryptocurrency futures contract squeezed up by 1,897.54% in 7 days, 4 hours. And the best part, you would have made over 1,800% profits if you were to trade this cryptocurrency on this bullish trend section. The question is, can you imagine making 1,800% profits in 7 days? Isn't that awesome? And do you realize how much opportunity is waiting for you right now? With that, it's time for me to walk you through the simple step-by-step process to kickstarting your meme coin trading process on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange right now. So let's get started. Step 1, go to tradingview.com chart page and use the candlestick pressure data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency to identify where the price action of most cryptocurrencies and meme coins will be heading to. For example, right now, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick. And that means you should go hunting for short trading opportunities in every cryptocurrency exchange. And now that we've identified where the price action of most cryptocurrencies and meme coins will be heading to, the next step is step 2. Go to livecryptohunters.com and use the Live Crypto Hunters AI tool to find the right cryptocurrencies and meme coins to trade on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. For example, click on this Bybit Live Crypto Trading Signals for Shorts to auto-generate a bunch of the right cryptocurrencies and meme coins to short trade on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. And as you can see, these are the right cryptocurrencies and meme coins you can literally short trade on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange right now. And now that we found the right cryptocurrencies and meme coins to short trade, the next step is step 3. You need to create your trading plan on the candlestick pressure data of the cryptocurrencies and meme coins before you trade them. For example, click on this View Chart button to auto-generate a complete trading plan of your selected meme coin. And as you can see on the candlestick pressure data of the HNT USDT cryptocurrency futures contract, the red line indicates the stop loss price of this trade, which is 2.461, and the blue line indicates the entry price of this trade, which is 2.438, and the pink line indicates the safety price, which is also the forced take profit price of this trade, which is 2.356, and the forced white line indicates the second take profit price of this trade, which is 2.157, and the second white line indicates the third take profit price of this trade, which is 1.870. And finally, the third white line indicates the fourth take profit price of this trade, which is 1.731. And now that we've created your trading plan on the candlestick pressure data of this cryptocurrency, the next step is step 4. In step 4, you need to choose the best entry conditions before you click the short button. For example, the forced entry condition for short trading opportunities states that the price action of every cryptocurrency and meme coin must form a red candlestick before the entry price. And the second entry condition for short trading opportunities states that the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency must be convincingly trading in a red candlestick at all times. So Make no mistakes. When these entry conditions are fully satisfied, do not hesitate to click on the Trade tab and then use a 10x leverage on an isolated margin mode. Next, click on the order form and select the conditional order form. Now, enter the same entry price on these two entry price bars and then enter your order value for the trade in USDT. Now, remember to implement the right cryptocurrency asset allocation before you enter your order value for the trade in USDT. Now, click on the TPSL selector and enter your take profit and stop loss prices in the appropriate boxes and then set it to good till cancel. And finally, click on the short button to open a short trading position in the order book. And just like that, you will successfully open a short trading position on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. Now, I want to turn it over to you. Did you learn something from this video? Leave a comment below right now. I reply to every comment on a comment section. And if you want to learn more, head over to livecryptohunters.com and apply for free access to the Live Crypto Hunters AI tool. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.